Hello, my name is Vangelis Garcia and I'm the District Community Liaison from the Santa Maria-Bonita School District. We would like to invite you to a community event for our Mixtec speaking community. It is called the Pathway to Success Community Event. In this special educational meeting, you will hear important information concerning how parents can better support their children and help their children succeed. It will be conducted in the Mixtec language and it's free. The Pathway to Success Community Event will be held on Thursday, May 31st, 2018. The location, Veterans Memorial Community Center, located on 313 West Tunnell Street. This free public event will be from 6 to 7:45 p.m. Come and learn about importance of college, A through G requirements, how to get to college, how to pay for college, student organizations, educational attainment, salary, information on youth clubs and activities. We will have special guests from various organizations who will provide information on youth clubs and activities, along with information about basic needs such as food, clothing, and medical insurance. Childcare will be provided. A light meal will be served. If you have any questions, please call 805-361-8215. We look forward to seeing you there.